Hello, my name is Viviana, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to boost the ranking of your website and drive more traffic to your business. So we're going to talk about content, citations, and backlink. Let's start with content. I'm looking at your website and I really like it because it has beautiful pictures showcasing the services that you provide. One thing I did notice about your website is that it is lacking more and more relevant content. When I said more, is that I'm referring to at least 1,500 words because that's what Google is looking for. Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on the front page. And when I mean by more content, I'm talking about relevant keywords that Google users are searching for to buy products and services. So you can sprinkle some of those keywords in here and boost those rankings. So let's have a look. In terms of word count, you have 623 words. I had a look at your competitors. So Leo Lance, they have 904 words, and Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have around 838 words. So that's very beatable. You can just add 900 words, targeting relevant keywords, and Google is going to give you points for that. Now let's come here to the Google search. When I type in this keyword, kitchen remodel Richmond, Virginia, uh, Google usually has 3 sections. So the first section is the Google Ads. There are none at the moment, but Google Ads are good because they're able to drive 30% of the traffic. It has its pros and cons. The cons is that some people just skip them and some people block those ads. But they are able to drive 30% of the organic traffic. Now, the Google Maps are making a huge impact on businesses because they are able to 60% of the people actually click on a business that is listed on the Google Maps. So it's important to rank at the top. To rank at the top, and here comes my second tip, you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed in a directory. And that directory could be Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Triple B. And to rank at the top, your business and those details need to match the details on the Google Business Profile. So just make sure that those details are exactly the same. Now let's come to the third section of the Google search. This is what we call the organic search. To rank at the top of the organic search, you need backlinks. And backlinks is a link on a website that is directing traffic to your website or that it is pointing to your website. And think about it like a popularity contest where the person that has the most likes is the person that wins, right? In here, the website that has the most backlinks is the website that is going to rank at the top. Now, important to bear in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. And by that, it means that there are some backlinks that pass on more power to your website just because they are located on a website that is relevant to your niche. So, for example, an association of remodelers or the chambers of commerce or things like that, they're going to pass on more power to your website. To analyze the back end of your website, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in here, we can see that Prince Renovations has 10 referring domains with 198 backlinks. When I look at your competitors, they have 329 with 1,000 backlinks. And Classic Kitchens of Virginia, they have 428 with a little bit over 5,300 backlinks. And here's my point. You don't necessarily need more backlinks, but you need more and good quality backlinks. Now, when I was referring to the keywords, this tool also gives us an overview of what are the keywords that you are ranking for. So here are the keywords, and this is the search volume. This is how difficult it is to rank for that particular keyword. And here is the traffic that you are able to drive through those keywords, because here is showing me the position that you are showing up on the Google search. So basically, any term showing here positions 1 to 10 are good because that means that you are on the first page of Google, and 90% of the people stay on the first page of Google. You don't want to be on the second page. What I wanted to show you is that you are ranking for these ones and you are on the first page for some of those keywords. What I wanted to show you is that your competitors are ranking on third position, for example, for terms like kitchen remodel enrichment and kitchen remodel enrichment. These two words or keywords alone are driving more than 1,000 searches on a month. And because they are appearing at the top of the Google organic search, they are able to drive more than 120 visits to their site. Now let's take a look at the second business. And just with the same two terms, they are able to drive a little bit 100 visits to their website just because they are appearing on the fourth and the fifth position. So imagine being able to target those keywords, and this is the keyword difficulty on a 100-point scale, which is not, it's not super easy, but it is not difficult at all to outrank your competitors to start appearing on the Google search. So if you like what you saw here on this video, please feel free to arrange a more in-depth consultation. And my contact details are at the bottom of this email. And I would really appreciate if you can give me some feedback. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Bye-bye.